Hello guys, welcome back again to another coconut water series. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we're making another juice. So first of all, I am pouring some of the coconut water into my ice cube container to freeze, and you'll see what we're going to do with it. So go ahead and cover, put it in the freezer to freeze. And for our ingredients, we're using nectarine, ginger, lemon, pineapple, and coconut water. Now, if you don't want your juice to be spicy, reduce the ginger. I wanted mine spicy, so I added a lot of ginger. At this point, I went ahead and cut all my fruits into small pieces. And then we're going to go ahead and blend them. Nectarines are a nutritious fruit with several health benefits. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And can help support various aspects of health, including the immune system, heart health, and vision. Ginger offers a variety of health benefits due to its bioactive compounds like gingerol and sugars. Those compounds contribute to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-nausea properties. Lemons offer several health benefits due to their rich content of vitamin C, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds. Supporting heart health, aiding digestion, potentially preventing kidney stones, and contributing to a healthy immune system. Pineapples offer a wide array of health benefits due to its rich nutrient profile and the presence of bromelain, a unique enzyme. These benefits include boosting immunity, aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and potentially promoting heart health. At this point, I added coconut water to into the ingredients in the blender, blend and strain. And there you have it. This rich, nutritious drink, this rich, healthy drink that is beneficial to your health. And guys, this tasted so good. At this point, I go ahead and I take my frozen coconut water cubes. I take everything out and I put it in a bowl. I put some of the coconut ice in a jar, added the drink, and some dried strawberries. Guys, this drink tasted so good. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, and share. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.